Okay, I'm going to do a really quick demo of how to embed a Google group discussion in a Google site, because one of the problems people have with Google Sites is how do I run a class discussion? So here I am in my Google Drive. I will go to Google Groups. Where is it? Okay, here we are. Groups. And then when I get there, if it ever loads, I'll just click on Create Group. Here I go. I'm going to call this Ret 1020-03 Summer 2020. That's my class. And really important here when I make it is you'll see here is the URL. We're going to use that in a little bit. I'm just going to copy that right now. Group description, you can put whatever you want there. And the main thing here is there's just one thing, the group type. You want to set it to web forum. Okay? Everything else, I pretty much keep the same. And then I'll click on Create. And it will spool it up and create it for me. There we go. My group is created. So the next thing I would do is I would need to manage my members. And I'm going to go in here. And I won't actually do this right now, but I'm going to click on Direct Add Members. And then I'll just directly add my class in there. One way you can do this is if you go to Banner and you find your class list, there's a nice little thing at the bottom called Display Email List. If you click on that, then it gives you your all of your class emails with commas separated. Maybe you use that already. And if I switch back to my Google group, I can just paste that in there. And it saves me a whole lot of work. And then I can write a message and I'll just add them and it will send it out. I'm not going to do that right now because I haven't communicated with my class enough yet for them to know what the heck is going on. But that's what I'm going to do. For now, I'll work with the group here with no members in it and it will still show. Okay, so this is my group. Then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to my website. All right, so here I am. I've just, in Google Sites, the new Google Sites, I've made a website I'm working on here. And I've made a page called Discussion. I'll just go there. Actually, I want to get rid of that. That shouldn't be there, that picture. Okay. And in my discussion, I'll go to Insert. On my page, I'll go to Insert. And then I'm going to use Embed. And when you pull up Embed, it's got by URL or embed code. Over on your Google group, where did that go? Here we are. Over on your Google group, if you go into Manage Group, then you'll see two things. One is here's this URL, and I'm going to copy that and use that. I think I copied it earlier, but I'll just make sure I've copied it again. Down here, there's a thing called embedding your group. Don't use that. I don't know why, but it doesn't seem to work as well over here. Okay, so that's on my Google group. Back here in the Google site, I'm just going to paste in that URL. Okay, it'll show a group there. I'll click Insert, and it will load up there. And that is a Google group inserted inside a Google site. If I click on Publish, and then go to View, I can see that my students will then be able to go in here. And basically it all goes, they'll click on a new topic. You can fiddle with the Google groups to see how they work. My internet connection's a little bit slow here, so we probably won't see much exciting right now. I'll stop it there. That's how you do it.